Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 12, 2025, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 12, 2025, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, March 12, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 12, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, March 12, 2025. Thank you for watching the 2 PM video for afternoon of March 12, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.